these are the frames two-faced, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. Now, you can replace the lenses one of two ways. You can either unscrew or loosen the screws that are located between the temple and the frontal part of the frames, and then take them out like that, or you can take them out a much easier way, which we are going to show you. So, to do so, you want to pull the top part of the frontal part of the frame outwards while pushing down with your other hand on the lens, like so. And you just repeat. Now, to reinstall these, you are going to take one lens, and you're going to line up this part of the lens into the grooves of the frame. This works even if the lenses are a little bit bigger. You just slide it in, and if the lenses are a little bit bigger, you just take two fingers underneath, one finger on top, and you kind of bend the lens so that the corners go in, like that. Then you want to repeat on the other side. So again, this side of the lens, into the grooves over here, just like that, and then the two fingers underneath, with the one finger on top, and you bend just slightly, and you should hear some clicks, and that's it.